Hey guys, today we are making a slime video. It's a store-bought slime. It's a dinosaur slime and it says Condalix and dinosaur. I don't know if you guys can see it, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, I also took off the wrapper. See, I'm gonna be getting it out because some reason it's not coming out. But now it's coming out. Yeah, and I'm going to, it's like not really stretchy as you guys see. I like the popping sound. It's a really good texture, a little soft, but it's just not like really stretchy. I mean, because it's a store-bought slime. You know how store-bought slime aren't always stretchy. We're going to keep playing with it. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, please like, subscribe, and comment on the video down below, and turn on your notifications so I will be telling y'all when I'm going to be doing more slime videos. But I'm going to have to like get more slime and stuff, so yeah, I'm going to be playing with it. Can you guys get? Okay, it keeps breaking. It's a store-bought slime, but it was like, I think $3, $4, $5 or something, or 10, I don't know, because my mom bought it for my brother and I was playing with it, and then like I'm making a video. But yeah, I'm getting one just like this when I get my money. So yeah, it is a little bit, I wish I could like add stuff so I can make it more stretchy, but can't because it'll dissolve the slime, like the kind of ingredients to make it the right. So yeah, okay, so like I said, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to do more videos, and hit that bell and turn on your notifications so you can get more notifications about my slime. Bye guys.